Are you ready to elevate your style? Burgundy is not just a color, it's a fashion statement that screams luxury. In this video, I'll show you 7 amazing ways to use burgundy in your everyday life, transforming your wardrobe from ordinary to unforgettable. This deep, rich shade combines confidence and sophistication, making it the ultimate secret weapon for any outfit. Stay tuned as we dive into stunning color combos that will have you turning heads effortlessly. Burgundy is exactly the color everyone needs in their neutral wardrobe. While neutrals like black, white, and beige provide a solid foundation, they can sometimes feel a bit flat or uninspired. That's where burgundy comes in. This rich, deep hue adds a striking pop of color that instantly elevates any outfit. Imagine pairing a classic white blouse with a burgundy blazer, or slipping on a pair of burgundy shoes to complement your favorite black dress. The beauty of burgundy lies in its versatility. It harmonizes beautifully with a range of neutral tones, creating a sophisticated and polished look. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out or a formal event, incorporating burgundy can transform your ensemble from basic to breathtaking. When it comes to sophisticated color combinations, few can rival the elegance of burgundy and gray. This pairing strikes the perfect balance between warmth and coolness, making it a timeless choice for any occasion. Burgundy, with its rich, deep tones, adds a touch of luxury, while gray serves as a neutral backdrop that enhances the vibrancy of burgundy without overwhelming it. The royal family has long been known for their impeccable style, and they often showcase the burgundy and gray combination in their wardrobe choices. For instance, you might see members of the royal family donning a tailored gray coat with a burgundy scarf, or a chic burgundy dress paired with a sleek gray blazer. This combination not only exudes sophistication, but also reflects a sense of tradition and class that is synonymous with royal fashion. Before we move to another powerful color combo, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any valuable content. Burgundy and white create a stunning visual contrast that is both crisp and clean, making it an ideal choice for professional settings. The deep, rich tones of burgundy exude confidence and sophistication, while the brightness of white adds a refreshing touch that lightens the overall look. This combination not only enhances your outfit, but also conveys a sense of professionalism and poise. Imagine stepping into the office wearing a tailored burgundy blazer over a classic white blouse. The white adds brightness, making the burgundy pop, while the structured silhouette maintains a polished appearance. Alternatively, a burgundy pencil skirt paired with a white button-up shirt creates a chic and elegant ensemble that is perfect for meetings or presentations. When it comes to creating a striking and sophisticated look, the combination of burgundy and navy blue is a match made in fashion heaven. These two colors complement each other beautifully, with burgundy's warm, rich tones harmonizing perfectly with the cool, deep hues of navy. Together they create a palette that is both bold and refined, making it ideal for a variety of occasions. Picture this: a stunning burgundy dress paired with a tailored navy blazer. The navy adds a touch of professionalism and structure, while the burgundy infuses warmth and personality into the outfit. This combination is perfect for everything from business meetings to evening events, ensuring you stand out while still looking polished. Nothing says elegance quite like the pairing of burgundy and black. This timeless combination exudes sophistication and allure, making it the perfect choice for a night at the opera or any classy evening event. The deep, rich tones of burgundy bring warmth and depth, while the sleekness of black adds an air of mystery and refinement. Imagine stepping into a lavish venue wearing a stunning burgundy gown, its luxurious fabric flowing gracefully, complemented by a chic black clutch and matching heels. This striking contrast not only enhances your silhouette, but also creates a captivating visual that draws the eye. The burgundy adds a pop of color, while the black grounds the look, ensuring you radiate confidence and style. Pairing burgundy with beige creates a soft, sophisticated look that is perfect for daytime outings. This combination is not only easy on the eyes, but also effortlessly stylish, making it an ideal choice for brunches, casual meetings, or leisurely strolls in the park. Imagine a chic burgundy blouse paired with tailored beige trousers. The warmth of the burgundy adds a touch of vibrancy, while the neutral beige grounds the outfit, creating a balanced and harmonious appearance. This pairing allows you to express your personality without overwhelming your look, making it versatile for various settings. For an earthier, nature-inspired look, burgundy and olive green make a perfect fall match. This pairing is ideal for casual yet polished outings, effortlessly blending warmth and depth with a touch of organic elegance. Picture a cozy burgundy sweater paired with olive green chinos or a skirt. The rich, warm tones of burgundy evoke the beauty of autumn leaves, while the muted, earthy hue of olive green grounds the outfit, creating a harmonious balance that feels both relaxed and refined. This combination is not only stylish, but also reflects the beauty of the changing seasons, making it a go-to choice for fall gatherings, outdoor events, or casual meetups with friends. A bold, all-burgundy outfit is both powerful and refined, making a striking statement for those who dare to stand out. From head to toe, this look is perfect for women who want to exude confidence, whether it's for a power meeting or an elegant evening out. Imagine stepping into a room dressed in a sleek burgundy blazer paired with tailored burgundy trousers. The richness of the color creates a cohesive and sophisticated silhouette that commands attention. You can elevate this look further with a burgundy blouse or a fitted turtleneck underneath, adding layers of texture and depth. Accessorizing with burgundy heels and a matching handbag ties the entire ensemble together, creating a seamless and polished appearance. This monochrome look not only showcases your fashion-forward thinking, but also reflects a strong sense of self-assuredness. One of the easiest and most stylish ways to incorporate burgundy into your wardrobe is through accessories. This rich, deep color can elevate any outfit without the need for additional clothing, making it a versatile choice for any occasion. A burgundy handbag or clutch can instantly transform a simple outfit into something chic and sophisticated. Whether you opt for a structured top handlebag or a sleek crossbody, this accessory adds a pop of color that draws the eye. I'm currently eyeing a burgundy top handlebag. If you have any recommendations, please drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Burgundy footwear, such as pumps, ankle boots, flats, or even sneakers, can ground your look while adding a touch of elegance. Pairing a classic outfit with burgundy shoes not only enhances your style, but also provides a subtle yet impactful color statement. A burgundy scarf can be a perfect accessory for any season. Whether it's a lightweight silk scarf for spring or a cozy knit for winter, it adds warmth and style while allowing you to play with textures. A burgundy belt can cinch your waist and add definition to your silhouette. It's a simple way to introduce this stylish color into your outfit, especially when paired with neutral tones. Consider incorporating burgundy into your jewelry collection. Statement earrings, a bold necklace, or even a stack of bracelets featuring burgundy stones or accents can add a touch of glamour to your ensemble. These pieces can be conversation starters and elevate your overall look. So, what do you think about incorporating burgundy into your wardrobe? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, stay classy. Manners matters.